So whatever you have with you, be it your voice, if you want to clap or stomp or yell, if you're frustrated with this buildup, that's why you're here. So we're going to make some noise on the count of 3. Everything you got. Ready? Ready? All right, here we go. On the count of 3, as much noise as you can muster. We will defend this place. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we want to thank you all for participating. Before we close this, I need you to turn to the person to the right and the left of you and show each other some love. We are a community. We are not divided. That's right. And we will always be united.
You guys are my club.
And it is love that will help us win this fight. Okay, so we are gathered here to sign our own ROD. What we're going to do is we're going to bring up a couple of our speakers to talk about the event and what it is that we're here for. The record of decision was not in our interest, and so we decided to release our own document. We have our own ROD, the Realizing Our Destiny document.